We'll guide you through how to use Inkscape on your Android device. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Google Play Store and search for Inkscape. Download and install the Inkscape app. Once installed, open the app. You'll see the main interface with a blank canvas ready for your creativity. To start a new project, tap the menu icon, usually located at the top left corner, and select New Document. You can choose from various preset sizes or input custom dimensions for your project. If you want to import images or other elements, tap the Import option, which you can find in the same menu. This allows you to bring in images from your device's gallery. To draw shapes or lines, use the tools located on the side toolbar. You'll find options like rectangles, ellipses, and freehand drawing tools. Tap on any tool to select it, then tap and drag on the canvas to draw. You can adjust the properties of each element like color, stroke, and opacity using the options at the bottom of the screen. For adding text, select the text tool from the toolbar, tap on the canvas where you want the text to appear, and type your desired text. You can adjust font size and style through the text properties menu. To save your work, go back to the menu and select Save As. Choose the file format that suits your needs, whether it's SVG, PNG, or another format. You can also share your project directly from the app by selecting the Share option, which will allow you to send your creation via email or social media. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.